Hello dear friends, I'm Shay from LandPack in China. Today I will show you how to change the ink view printer particles. The first step is to see this section. This one is called ink view. And this one is called character installation bracket. This is called bucket rings. And this one is called particles. Like our engineer to show you how to change ink view printer particles. And we can put the characters in sequence. One by one. The direction of the number is the same as the direction of the membrane. Then fasten them with rubber rings. And then install them on the machine. This one can directly install the ink view on the machine. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us through the website at the bottom right. Goodbye.